Hey y'all, it's Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the latest Payton subscription box from Goldmine CoCo. Y'all waited so long for this. If you're interested in seeing what's in this box, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, so if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kinah. Hey girl. Take a few minutes to browse around my channel, see what you're getting yourself into. I do mostly plan with me's and unboxings. From here and there you'll see some budgeting videos, and I am working on some additional content. But let's get into this box. We've got Goldmine CoCo, their card that we get in every box. Hello, thank you for your purchase. Every piece is designed to elevate your life, empower you to live full out, and enhance your daily mood. You're a gem and you deserve to see yourself as the driven, extraordinary, phenomenal woman you are. And then it has their socials and website down here. Next, we got a Payton trading card. The material has changed, but I'll go ahead and add this to my collection. I think I have this one already though, so let's put that to the side. Let's go ahead and get into this. So for those of you that are new to Goldmine CoCo, this box is quarterly. I believe this is the first box we got this year. I could be incorrect. I'll put a note down on the screen. But I think this is my first Payton box we got this year. We got a treasure chest not too long ago, but this is our first Payton. So we have this notepad. We've got Miss Payton chilling on her beanbag chair. Good thick Goldmine CoCo paper, and it looks like there's about 50 sheets on the notepad. So that's the first item here in the box. Next, we have a sticky notepad that says today's menu, and we got Miss Payton down there chefing it up. Look like she about to bake something. Look at her, she cute. So this is our sticky notepad. That looks to be about 50 sheets on here as well. Next, we have what looks like another notepad, and this one says grocery list. If I can get it open without tearing ish up. There we go. Alright, so we have our grocery list, and it says grocery and meal plan. We've got the days of the week, and we've got a column for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then we've got a section up here for a grocery list and a restock. So this looks to be about 50 pages. Again, it's the good thick Goldmine CoCo paper. Here is the grocery and meal plan notepad. Last but certainly not least, y'all, my favorite part. It's always the stickers for me. So we have the home planner sticker pack. Let me go ahead and get this box off the desk. So this is a 10-page sticker pack. Payton, 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 all Payton, okay? So we've got this first sheet here. It says, I can't wait to get home. Let's get comfy. Homebody. Home is where I can get creative. You ain't never lied. Relaxing is also productive. Yes, it is. And then we've got these boxes: watch, cook, crafts, read, and plans. And then up here we've got some date dots, and we've got some flags and some long boxes. Over here we've got Miss Pay getting crafty, and then she's over here baking. So that's the second sheet. The third sheet, we've got some quotes. I plan best when I'm at home. It's okay to take a break. Just breathe a little. It's okay to relax. It's a good day to stay home and chill. Unplug, girl. Get crafty. I take naps to get me on track, and gotta chill. So this page is Payton doing what you want to do. She's taking a nap, and it looks like she's watching her tablet. Yep, on the tablet. She looked like she naked. Payton need to put some clothes on. We are watering our plants. We are getting happy me time. We've got some boxes here and some drops. Watch YouTube, me time, nap time, craft time, cook and eat. Your home heals you, restores you, rejuvenates you. Next page, we've got nothing like a home cooked meal. Me time, planning is my therapy. Watch YouTube, quiet time cooking, YouTube craft time. Next, we've got Miss Pei sitting in her chair with some coffee and her phone, doing a social media thing clearly. And we have her in light brown and brown. And then we have Payton here on the couch reading her magazine with her little tea. Unplug and unwind and gotta chill. Now we got Miss Payton and fell asleep on the doggone job. She's supposed to be doing whatever she's doing. She sleep in light brown and brown. She's crafting in light brown and brown. Home is a feeling, not a place. I'm just chilling. No weekend plans. I wish I could have no weekend plans. That would be amazing. So then we have Miss Payton baking again, hanging out on the beanbag, and we've got some circles. Next, it looks like Felicia did a little bit of layering for us. So we have this layered cluster of stickers. We got some dots. We've got routine. Oh, Payton, I came up out that bra, y'all. Note. We've got another cluster of stickers here and a long sticker. And then we've got some date covers. And then this last sheet, we've got a bit of a, it's I guess meant to look like a sticky note. And then we have home is where ideas are born. Tune out the noise, focus on you. Relax, reflect, and rejuvenate. We've got some more boxes here. Payton watching YouTube. Payton watering her plant. Again, some drops. Some half circles, if that makes any sense. Unplug and unwind. Organize, listen to, must read, things to do. So this entire sticker kit is pretty much about you being home and unplugging and just being home. That's why it's called home. So this is the home planner sticker kit, sticker pack. All right, y'all, so here is the Goldmine CoCo Peyton subscription box. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.